Let us see another previous year gate question. Again, it is like a match the following question. See here, what is the list A? Type of file is given and usage is given. N-bearing file we know. Pedestal, I don't think whether you know it. Okay, let us keep it aside. You know the frictional file and also you know the sand file. What is in the frictional file? Only through surface. N-bearing means only at the end. Let us see. When the weak foundation soil is compact, it is to be compacted. When foundation is granular. When foundation soil is relatively weak. When the hard formation of rock at a shallow depth. So what do you think will be the correct answer? Come on, match the following. I think first we can check for A and C. After that we can go for the remaining options. So what is A? N-bearing pipe. Where you will use the N-bearing pipe? Wherever there is a hard rock bottom, hard rock at the relatively larger depths. So see, when hard formation or rock is at a shallow depth, then A goes for the A. And whether we have to decide P is 2 or 3, we don't know exactly. But C we can decide. What is the C? Whether it is when foundation is granular or foundation soil is relatively weak. Which one is correct? For option C. For option C, it will be when foundation soil is relatively weak. So that's why the option C is nothing but a 3. So what is the correct one? A4 and C3. B, pedestal pile is nothing but it is used when there is a granular foundation. And the sand pile is used when there is a weak foundation and it has to be compacted. Okay, thank you.